The 2026 Lexus ES emerges as a testament to the brand's commitment to blending luxury with innovation. Building upon its esteemed lineage, this iteration introduces subtle yet impactful enhancements that cater to the discerning driver. At first glance, the refreshed exterior design captures attention. The front fascia showcases redesigned matrix LED headlights, now featuring an inverted checkmark graphic complemented by a distinctive V-shaped LED element. This modern lighting signature seamlessly integrates with the updated spindle grille, drawing parallels to the aesthetic of the larger Lexus RX. The rear is equally refined, with L-shaped LED taillights connected by a slender light bar, emphasizing the vehicle's contemporary stance. Stepping inside, occupants are greeted by a more technologically advanced cabin. Dominating the center console is a new 14-inch touchscreen display, replacing the previous 12.3-inch unit. This expansive screen not only enhances visual appeal but also integrates essential controls for climate and media, ensuring a user-friendly experience. The repositioned HVAC vents and the retention of the analog clock add to the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. Under the hood, the Chinese market ES offers two powertrains, the ES200 with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and the ES300H hybrid, combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor. While specific details for other markets remain unconfirmed, there's speculation that the ES might transition to a hybrid-only lineup, aligning with Lexus's broader electrification strategy. The 2026 Lexus ES exemplifies the brand's dedication to evolving luxury sedans, ensuring they meet contemporary demands while honoring their rich heritage.